A trusted classic for over 50 years, Krause's Food and the Nutrition Care Process, 14th edition presents the most cutting-edge and up-to-date dietetics content available in this ever-changing field. Nicknamed the Nutrition Bible, students and practitioners alike turn to its current, comprehensive content, engaging pedagogy and design, and logical presentation of information. This new edition includes the 2015 Dietary Guidelines for Americans, more visuals, and highlighted clinical case studies, clinical insights, and clinical applications boxes that help translate scientific knowledge into practical patient care. Written by nearly 50 nationally recognized writers, researchers, and practitioners, it covers nutrition assessment and intervention, the nutritional needs of individuals in different stages of the life cycle, nutrition for health and fitness, and medical nutrition therapy. Authored by clinical specialists, ensuring in-depth coverage with many practical and evidence-based recommendations. Sample nutrition diagnosis boxes present a problem, its etiology, and its signs and symptoms before concluding with a sample nutrition diagnosis, providing both students and practitioners with real-life scenarios they may encounter in practice. Unique pathophysiology algorithms present the cause, pathophysiology, and medical nutrition management for a variety of disorders and conditions to help you provide optimal nutritional care. Chapters on nutrition in each of the life cycle phases include O nutrition in pregnancy and lactation, O nutrition in infancy, O nutrition in childhood, O nutrition in adolescence, O nutrition in the adult years, O nutrition in aging. Focus on boxes provide thought-provoking information on key concepts for well-rounded study and further discussion within the classroom. New directions boxes point you toward additional research on emerging areas in nutrition therapy. Clinical insight boxes expand on clinical information, highlight areas that may go unnoticed, and contain clinical resources for students and practitioners. Chapters on the nutritional care of the low birth weight and premature infant feature information on how to support their health, growth, and development. Useful websites direct you to online resources that relate to chapter topics. Key terms are defined at the beginning of each chapter and bolded within the text where they are discussed in more detail. New. The most up-to-date content throughout, including the 2015 Dietary Guidelines for Americans. New. Worksheets on how to calculate parenteral and enteral nutrition needs added to Chapter 14, Food and Nutrient Delivery, Nutrition Support Methods. New. Clinical case studies and clinical applications boxes help translate academic knowledge into practical patient care. New. The latest recommendations from the National Institutes of Health are discussed in Chapter 33, MNT for cardiovascular disease. New. Standards of care recommendations incorporated throughout the book. New. Inflammation and the pathophysiology of chronic disease chapter cross-references to diseases with inflammation in the MNT chapters. New. More visuals added to Chapter 6, Clinical, Water, Electrolytes, and Acid-Base Balance, to help convey key concepts. New. Nutrition and the Affordable Care Act, Human Milk Banking, and Vending Machine Labeling Law boxes highlight the latest information on these hot topics. New. The Anti-Inflammatory Diet Appendix details the disease-fighting potential of anti-inflammatory foods. Expanded. MNT for Psychiatric Conditions chapter includes the most up-to-date material on Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's disease.